Its skin resembles dragon scales. It belongs to the cactus family. But it doesn't grow in the desert. That's dragon fruit. Although botanically classified under the Cactaceae family, dragon fruit actually thrives in tropical and subtropical regions. It grows best in warm, humid climates with high rainfall. This plant is widely cultivated in Southeast Asia, Central and South America, and even Australia. While it prefers well-drained soil that dries quickly, it is not suited for dry, sandy deserts like most other cacti. The fruit itself is known for its sweet, refreshing taste and is rich in water content, making it a healthy snack and a great natural source of hydration in hot climates.